Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find an internet browser to use on your Google TV device. So to do this, what you want to do is back out here and then go all the way to the top and go to the right to search. And then under here, just type in or say browser. So I'm just going to hold down the little microphone option and just say browser. Browser. And it'll auto type that in for me so I don't have to type it in. And the best one is this one right here, where it says browser, and then it's got like the little circle around it. Go ahead and just get that one. You can look at these other options, and you got like open browser, and you got Zeus browser, I believe, is the one I call, this one right here, internet browser, Zeus. And then you got TV browser. Just go to this one right here and open this one up. This one by far the best one. And you got your bookmarks on the top. You can just go to Google, Facebook. If you want to go to a different website to watch something, you have that option on here as well. And you can just go back. You got your bookmarks, history, downloads, and your settings. And you can just go through here and check this out. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.